standing out here in the rain, but that doesn't bother me. It's a metaphoric cleansing. That's what it is.
Right around there, be with them.
So we were in one huge, massive line, people fighting to get spots, and we thought we were going to go through security, but we're just getting into a single file line across the street to get into another massive line with more people fighting, trying to get into the mall.
They're trying to teach us to be like the British, you know, because the British love queuing. Go from one queue to another. Hey, we're going to queue up. Let's go. Queue.
Coming over to the East Coast, where it's a little bit more Republican, and you have all the people who are supporting Trump, and then all the people who are protesting Trump. It's just very interesting.
Rock on. All right, that's enough of the tongue.
Inauguration T-shirt, $5.
We're excited. We're excited for him.
New president,
wanted to
new
come see it.
We're excited for the new administration, new policies, business-friendly policies, corporation-friendly policies, make America great again.
Good night, everybody. Enjoy the speech.